हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। जैसे कि आपको पता है ये एक नया चैनल है और इस चैनल पर हम सारी मेंटल हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियोस डालेंगे, क्योंकि जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज कितने बढ़ गए हैं और अवेयरनेस बहुत ही कम है। तो हेयर वी आर स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस। So let's dive into today's video. Talking about emotions. We all have feelings and go through many emotions daily. But if we specifically talk about negative emotions like guilt, anxiety, anger, frustration, etc., these emotions are absolutely normal. Without them, how will we appreciate the positive ones? But when these emotions become uncontrollable, they can also prove to be really harmful and can alter your normal functioning. For instance, prolonged anxiety can cause headaches, increased blood pressure, and much more. So, how to control them? Let's talk about each of them one by one.
Aggression. Anger can not only affect the physical health of a person to a great extent, but it can also weaken the immune system. So, we need to control those angry outbursts. Whenever you feel angry, take deep breaths for 2 to 3 minutes and have a time out. Relaxation techniques like counting, squeezing a wet towel can also help. Also, when you start feeling better, let it out. Write it somewhere or share your feelings with someone trustworthy. That what made you angry and why. Anxiety. Deep breathing can be really beneficial when you feel anxious. Exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, yoga and meditation also help a lot. Don't forget to make time for yourself. Do something that relaxes you, like drawing, dancing, listening to good music, etc. Frustration. Time out. Relax yourself by getting some exercise and deep breathing. Figure out the source of frustration so as to deal with it effectively. Do something pleasant like reading a book, watching a comedy movie can be really helpful, and especially distract yourself for the time being. Guilt. Identify why you feel guilty. Accept your situations and mistakes. Apologize if necessary. Realize that no one is perfect. Write about your feelings. Acceptance is the key to deal with guilt. Forgive yourself and do a good deed. Jealousy. First and foremost thing to deal with jealousy is that do not compare yourself. Take charge of yourself and your situations. Accept yourself and love yourself. Accepting that everyone is different and everyone undergo different experiences throughout life, and focus on yourself, your shortcomings, your goals, aspirations and achievements. Sadness. Cry if you feel like. Express your emotions. Talk to someone. Try to meditate. Indulge yourself in some work. Comfort yourself physically. Take a bath, a massage, or even a nap. Give yourself time. Count your blessings, even the smallest ones. Be grateful for what you have and even for this experience. Smile and focus on good. Remember, it will get better.
And if you still feel that you're not able to control your emotions and they're altering your day to day life, then seek help from a professional. These emotions can be more prominent, especially during these times. So, let's take care of ourselves and our loved ones. Let's support each other in this difficult time. So guys, this was it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. We really need your support. Also guys, comment down below what do you want to see in our next video, and also check out our Instagram page, that is @beyonddeep, and show some love. Bye bye.